for you. Bring it over here, I'll open it. Here. Bring it here. You're gonna bring it that far and just throw it at my feet and say, mm-mm. You gonna pick it up? Am I gonna pick it up? Is anyone gonna pick it up? Are you not gonna pick it up? Ah, I just tricked you, now you have to pick it up. It's a double negative, see? She just walks away. I guess she got me now. Kendall. Kendall. Yeah, I told you I was going to open it. Let's open it, check back. You want some of this? No. You said, mm-mm. I picked it up. Mmm. You gotta learn how to drink out of a bottle.
You need to learn how to pour in her mouth while spilling it.
Watch her bottle. She doesn't keep her bottom.
Goodness.
You done yet? Or are you thirsty for more? Current temperature is 9 degrees. Feels like -3 in Denver. Come on, you want more? Hold on. That light is very bright.
Thank you. Thank you. Honey.
What?